guys, my name is Nathan Torres and I'm here to tell you something that I am pissed about. You know when they post on Facebook that, like share this story will die in 3 o'clock p.m. or Bloody Mary will get you at 12 o'clock, and share and like if you are in God's army, and skip scrolling if you like devil. Isn't that a little too, you know, I'm pissed about it because I think the one that posting is stupid. And when I was on Smosh, I was looking at the comments and say, tomorrow will be your best day. Repost this or else you will die. That's stupid. So, if you agree with me, like and share on Facebook. I mean, no, don't share in this page. Share a like below, and if you if you only want, you can subscribe even. Um, I'm still not like this much, having good videos, and sometimes my laptop while I'm videoing it, sometimes the video stops. So if you know, please leave a comment down below why, and if you really agree, like it and add it to favorites. Okay, and one thing I hate is oh yeah, I almost forgotten. Subscribe to PewDiePie. He's the bestest of the best. Be part of the bro army because he wants you in the bro army. I'm already in there, so sir, so subscribe to PewDiePie's channel. Sup, bro? And subscribe to Smosh too because they have awesome vids. And don't be like the others that post like today will be your best day, blah blah blah. So if you agree with me, please leave a like and a comment. Okay, okay, goodbye.